Hey guys, Tashdila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make sushi roll. Vegetable sushi roll I'm going to show you, and hopefully you guys love it this video. And let's get started how to make. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. So add 1 cup rice and wash the rice 2-3 times. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to cook rice and how much we need water. So first I'm gonna add 2 cup water. So this is the measurement cup, so we cannot take everywhere this cup. So here I'm gonna use my second finger. The top on the finger you have to touch the rice and cover the finger line the water you have to add, and that's it. It's very simple. Cover and cook. So first I'm gonna make sushi vinegar. For this we need 3 teaspoons vinegar. So here I use normal vinegar and 1 teaspoon brown sugar. You can use regular sugar also. Half teaspoon salt. That's it. We have to mix properly. Now here my rice also cooked, and now I'm gonna take out the rice and add the sushi vinegar sauce we made before. And we have to lightly mix it and let them cool down. We need little body temperature. We don't need to dry your rice, so cover with your towel. Now let's prepare the vegetable. The vegetable ingredient is very simple, and you can go with any kind of vegetable as you like. So here I choose cucumber and radish and carrot. To slice the all vegetable. This radish tastes like a little salty and sweet and crunchy, so it's kind of like a pickle. So you can add if you find. So if you don't find, it's not necessary. You can add more vegetable, but if you find, I will recommend you definitely add. Your sushi will make more delicious. Now let's prepare the dipping sauce. The dipping sauce is very simple. We need 2 teaspoons vinegar and 2 teaspoons soya sauce, and that's it. And we need wasabi. The wasabi, when you eat that time, we have to add. Now it's ready to make. All ingredients are ready. So if you want to know proper ingredient list, don't forget to check it out my description box. I always making list. Now take 1 Nori seed and shining will keep in downside. So before take a rice, you have to wet your hand first. After that, take a rice and just spread the rice. You have to spread the rice very nicely, otherwise when you roll it will not make good shape. Now take a wasabi and add just a little bit. Don't add too much, otherwise it's too spicy. Now you can add filling. By the way, if you want more filling ingredient, you can definitely add. You can add egg or you can add spinach. You can add many vegetable if you want. Now take an end and hold your finger to vegetable, and just one side you have to hold and roll. We have to keep little space like this, and again you have to roll. Now this time you have to little press and you have to make a shape. And that's it, how it is simple. Follow the all same way. Now I'm not going to add wasabi, add directly vegetable. Now take the end and you have the roll. And one more time, again roll. And it's ready. Now this sushi as rice will come upside, so for this we have to add little bit water first. It will not stick, because if you do this, and add little bit mayonnaise and all the vegetable. Now same way you have to fold. In this, for rolling for this, we have to little gently, because it will rice will come upside, so you have to do like softly. That's it. Now top on the sushi here, I like to add a little bit of sesame seed, black sesame seed and white sesame seed. and cut, again clean, cut, again clean. Now let's move on to the next one. So before cut, I'm gonna apply some sesame oil. It will give nice shining and more delicious. Even sesame oil is giving more flavor. Now I'm gonna cut into bite pieces. Now it's ready to serve. And add just a little bit wasabi. When you eat, mix into sauce and you can eat. So this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. For more video guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Even they also enjoy this recipe. And guys, don't forget to check my another video also. Anyway guys, and how it is, leave comment below. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.